Hello, welcome back to another Vector Ink tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to design letter B logo. Now click on grid icon, set the grid size to 25. Enable toggle grid. Now double click on shape tool, and select the circle shape tool. Draw a circle like this. After drawing a circle, go to selection tool, and click on transform. Set the circle size to 200 pixels. And align it to center. Now duplicate the circle. Go to transform, and set the size to 125 pixels. And align it to center. Now duplicate the circle once again. And go to transform, and set the width and height to 80. And align it to center. Double click on Shapes tool, and select Line tool. Now draw a vertical line like this. And go to Selection tool. Duplicate it, and place it over here. Duplicate it, and place it over here. Now duplicate this line and go to transform. And rotate it to 90 degrees, and place it over here. Duplicate this line and place this line over here. Duplicate this line and place this line over here. Now it's time to do some magic. Select every shape. And go to Shape Builder tool. Now enable joint mode to draw the shapes. So now I have done designing letter B logo by using Vector Ink applications.